I'm sure everyone has seen these pictures of Ningning recently, and she just looks so stunning, so I'm going to recreate her makeup today. Aespa's makeup artist really swears behind these glow BB creams. They provide just enough coverage and even out your skin really well. And we really want that bright complexion, so I'm using a lavender blush. Then I'm using a warm coral shade on top. Putting the blush on either side of the nose gives a more sculpted look. And I'm contouring my nose to give me a more short mid-face. I drew my brows pretty straight and light. For the eyeshadow, I'm starting with the light coral, and I'm really going for a high contrast look. And I'm drawing the eyeliner slightly more upturned. Also make sure to connect the bottom lash line with the liner. For the lashes, I am applying falsy clusters, but I just apply a base coat of mascara first. I'm also drawing on a little bit of bottom eyeliner and a mole. I did my lip liner and put a tint and a gloss in the center. And that's it, we're done. This is probably one of my favorite looks I've ever done.